How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your MacBook. See, I will give you a few solutions. They will be simple, and let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to the Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar, click on it, turn off the Wi-Fi, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. After that, your Mac will automatically connect to known networks, or you can connect to a newer network. The next thing you can try is go to settings. In settings, go to Wi-Fi. In Wi-Fi, here you can see we have all our known and other networks showing. But let's go to the connected network and then click on these three dots. Now that you're in Wi-Fi, you want to go to details over here to the connected Wi-Fi. And then over here on the left side, you have multiple options, of which you want to go to DNS. Once you're in DNS, you can see the default DNS servers, but we want to add a few new servers. To add them, you want to click plus and then type in 8.8.8.8 and then select OK. If you're not on an admin account, you'll have to put in the user and password, and then after that you want to click on unlock. We have now added one DNS server. We also want to add another one. Let's go through the same process again. Go to DNS, click on plus and add 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK. Now that is done, your problem should go away. If it hasn't still gone away, you can do one simple trick, the oldest trick in the book, which is going to be forgetting the network and rejoining it. Go to settings again. In settings, go to Wi-Fi, and in Wi-Fi, go to details. In details, you can just click on forget this network. Alternatively, you can just go through the three dots over here and then click forget this network. After you've done that, it's going to ask you for a confirmation. Click on forget again, and there you go. You have to put in the admin password again and then click on OK. Now it is going to try to connect to another Wi-Fi, but you can go ahead and connect to the same Wi-Fi all over again. And there you have it. Your problem has been solved. Your Wi-Fi is connected and it is showing no problems. If I just go to the speed test and try it out, as you can see, I have a decent Wi-Fi speed and no problems at all. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.